Hello, in front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a screen lock protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen repeatedly until you find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, select the option called More Settings, and here tap on the option called Security. As you can see right here we have option called Screen Lock. Tap on it, then select PIN, tap right here, and now you can enter the PIN you want to use to protect your phone. I'm gonna use the simple one, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can use whatever you like. Then tap Next, enter it again, and tap Next. Oh, my bad. Once you confirm the second time, you will see that the screen lock right here on the option called Screen Locks, it says PIN. Before it was none. That means that the screen lock is enabled, and when you lock the screen, or basically let's wait until it turns off. Okay, once the screen turns off, when you turn it back on, you will need to unlock it by entering the PIN. Like that. And to disable the screen lock protection, simply go back to the settings, more settings, security, tap on screen lock. Now you need to enter the current PIN, the one that you're using at the moment, to confirm. So let's enter it, tap next, and select the none method, and tap OK to disable the screen lock. And that's how you set up a screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.